What is up, everyone around the world? I appreciate you for tuning in to watch this video. I really mean that. If you're watching this, thank you. I appreciate you. This is going to be a follow-up video to one that I did about 2 beard balms. That video is on my channel. You can look for it and find it if you haven't seen it already. It is a brand that I like, and so I purchased another. It's a different fragrance. I've got the box here. It's been here for quite some time. I haven't really gotten around to opening it. That's what I'm going to do today. I got the box. I got to open it. So this is, of course, an unboxing video. And thanks for your patience. I'm going to try to be succinct. And thanks, hopefully, for watching all the way to the end. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get this started. Let's go. Got my tactical pen here. These are a really good thing to have. I might talk about this tactical pen in a video. Drop a comment, let me know if you'd like to hear about this tactical pen. And if I get folks who are interested, I'm going to go ahead and do a video about that. But they're great for a number of things. One is opening boxes. Oh, totally forgot. Yes, so I bought rosemary oil. Then I've got the beard balm. So I hope you've seen that other video that I'm talking about. But in any event, this is a beard balm. This is a beard balm by Oak City Beard Company. And this is Snow Leopard. And the fragrance is actually comprised of 3 main scents: sandalwood, peppermint, and vanilla. And as I suspected, I can smell ever so faint but pleasant, and it's there. I do smell the peppermint now, and I would guess that as I use this, you know, I'll be able to smell all 3 more, and that is the sandalwood, the vanilla, and the peppermint. But I am now picking up the peppermint. Yeah, it's really nice. Very, very nice. Yeah. You know, I should probably, I'll say it's very nice, but I should probably say, in all fairness, I should really wear it some and then let you know. So maybe I'll just keep doing update videos one after another, because I often say I'll do an update, and actually I've been able to do some updates when I indicate that there may be a need for me, or I may want to provide an update. So I think I probably will, and keep this as brief as I can, a summary after wearing it. But my initial impressions, what I can say is right now I like it. And my initial impression was that I like it better than the sandalwood bourbon, and that I could detect the peppermint after applying it to my palm. But as I started to rub this and put it in, I'm not getting as much of the sandalwood. So I'll need to wear this some more and get a better sense of, I suspect that in terms of performance, it'll be just the same or similar to the other 2. Those 2 performed well. They were really great in terms of helping me control my beard. I think that those 2 help with, again, excuse the siren, help with overall manageability of my beard. I really like them in that regard. So I think that this will probably be the same, but time will tell. Yeah. So then let me just tell you what the ingredients are. And again, I'm then probably going to wrap this up and probably do a follow-up, because I have a lot of fragrances and I probably want to get some of those and perhaps share my thinking and with regard to any other purchases from Oak City Beard Company. So it has coconut oil, and I think I've mentioned before, I really like beard balms with coconut oil. I think it's a great oil for beards. Beeswax is the second item listed. And I mentioned before when I was talking about the other two that I think it's a good balance. This is not a very, very waxy beard balm, but it's not on the lacking end in terms of needing more, and it, in my opinion, has more of a true beard balm consistency than it does a beard butter. Then it has safflower oil, and then it says jojoba oil. And I mentioned before, I really like jojoba oil for my beard. It has castor oil, fragrance, and then the final item listed is excuse me, is vitamin E. I love the way this feels. And I should mention, in all fairness, that I have applied oil. I have product in my beard. So I have oil, a concoction that I've made that I need to talk about. So as I'm even talking this through, I think I do need to do an update, because I'm not applying product to a beard that does not have anything in it. I actually have some oil, an oil concoction that I make, and again, I think I'm gonna do a video about that. And I also have some of the other, the same brand, the beard balm, not the Sandalwood bourbon, but, and now it's slipping my mind. Oh, it's called Supreme. I have some of the Supreme in, and I put a generous amount. So I must say, and I didn't think about this. I'm sorry, I didn't think about this. I must say that I should follow up. I need to follow up to be able to talk about how this feels and works with my beard. But also, I have other products, so I think it's also going to throw off the scent that I have, the fragrance a bit in terms of wearing it. And so I probably should wrap up this video now. Hopefully you got something out of this, and I appreciate you for watching. I most certainly think I'm going to do a follow-up. And with all of that said, again, thank you very much for watching. If you've subscribed, that means a lot to me. And if you haven't, consider subscribing, hit that red button. I hope you all have a really fantastic day. I really mean that. I hope it's one of the best days that you've had in a long time. Heck, hope it's your best day of your life. With all that said, again, I'm appreciative of you watching. Stop by again and watch another video or more, and have a wonderful day. All right? Next time.